Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful artistic craftic ideas of wreath. Wreath is a very welcoming project and very welcoming art, very welcoming part of your festival. This upcoming season and this upcoming festival is a beautiful festival, and it's not about just togetherness, happiness. It's all about it, but you have to try something new. You can grow your business as well. You can make some projects simple and beautiful wreath, and everybody wants this. Everybody wants this, but if you add some artistic thing and you can add it it's eco-friendly and recycle, people wants to buy this. And who knows, your small effort can make big projects and big business, make some wealth, and make some beautiful earning hand you become. So viewers, watch till the end, stay tuned with us. We try to give you the more and more beautiful design with burlap, jute, and many more ideas. So this video gonna show you very beautiful ideas, crafting ideas, and easy to make ideas, and very beautiful designs. So hope you enjoyed all ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe. We like to share for our viewers, with our viewers, the best and beautiful ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want more designs like this, we will definitely gonna share with you more designs. Wreath crafts. This beautiful circular decoration, often hung on doors or walls, symbolize welcome, joy, and togetherness. Today we will learn about different types of wreath, fun ways to make them, and even how turn your wreath making hobby into a small seasonal business opportunity. The wreath is one of the most recognized symbols of Xmas, traditionally made from evergreen branches. It represents eternal life and the circle of joy. But modern wreath can fabric ribbon. Recycled material or even pops of glitter and ornaments. The best part, making a wreath is not just about decoration, it's about creativity, family bonding, and festive spirit. Paper wreath. Cut leaves. क्या क्या कर रहे Cut leaves or holly shapes from green paper, glue them around a cardboard rings, and decorate with red berries made from pom-poms. A perfect school project. Take a strip of felt or fabric, tie them around a ring, and fluff them out. Add a bow on top, and you have a soft, colorful wreath for your wall. Wrap a ring with shiny ribbons, red, gold, or silver, and add a few ornaments or bells, simple but elegant. Collect twigs, dry leaves, or pine cones. Arrange them in a circle frame, tie with a string, and paint with a little gold spray for a rustic look. Use old magazines, bottle caps, or cardboard rolls, cut, paint, and arrange them into a circle. This eco-friendly option is fun and teaches recycling. Make a smaller version with embroidery hoops, mini wreath ornaments, bangles, or small rings. Decorate them and hang them on your tree. Crafting wreath is fun because you can use anything you already have at home. Because beads, old clothes, glitter, even spoons or straws can be transformed into art. Imagine a family sitting together, children cutting paper leaves, parents helping with glue, and even adding their personal touch. The result, not just a wreath but a memory, a piece of love that hangs proudly on your door. Wreath making is also relaxing, like therapy. The rhythm of wrapping ribbons, arranging leaves, and adding sparkles with the heart with joy. Now, growing a wreath business this season. Let's talk about this. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, turning your wreath crafts into a small business. Xmas is the season when people look for unique handmade decor, and wreaths are always in demand. Offer different sizes: large door wreath, medium wall wreath, and mini wreath ornaments. More choice means more sales. Add names, initials, or family messages to the wreath. Personalization increases value. Sell online, post your wreath on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp groups. Good photos with Xmas slides with attract buyers. Bundle offers: sale a pack with one big wreath and two mini ornaments. Bundles make great gifts. Eco-friendly branding: highlight if your wreaths are made from recycled or natural materials. Many buyers prefer eco-friendly option. Festive packaging: wrap in clear plastic, tie with a ribbon, and add a merry tag, something whatever you want. Beautiful packaging make a big difference. Each starting with a small supplies, cardboard, ribbons, and glue. You can make a few wreaths, sell them, and reinvest in more materials. Slowly, this hobby can grow into a seasonal business. The beauty of wreath lies in their circle shape. They have no beginning and no end. Just like the joy of Xmas, they welcome guests at the door spread chairs in school and make an excellent handmade gift. And most important, they are a reminder that creativity has no limits. With just a little imagination, and ordinary rings become a festive masterpiece. So, my friends, as we wrap up this season, we should have to do something beautiful. Thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, stay inspired, and may your Xmas season be full of joy, happy new year, success, and beautiful handmade wreath. Happy crafting. Do you want to expand more ideas